Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the Dolby Atmos update which I have just received in this Mi11X device, as you can see friends. So a couple of days back I did a video on this regarding the Dolby Atmos topic, and I did not find that kind of option, and because I did not receive the update at the time when I am doing the video, but right now just today I did receive the update as well, and very soon I'll be able to do the MIUI 12.5 update. So make sure to check that video as well friends. So let's see what are the Dolby Atmos options you will be getting in this kind of Mi11X smartphone. And just in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends, Sai Tech Guru. And also don't forget to check those videos as well which I uploaded on the battery draining test results on this mobile phone, so which will be really interesting results to watch. So let's go to the settings and go to the display and the vibrations option. So under the display and the vibrations option, if you try to scroll down, you can find the option which is the sound settings, as you can see. So it is the sound settings, and the first option you'll be seeing the Dolby Atmos, as you can see friends. So where you can enable the Dolby Atmos. So when you enable the Dolby Atmos, you get different kind of preset options. So one is a dynamic, next is a video, next is a music, and another is a voice as well. So not only that, you do get the option of the graphic equalizer option. So this is another different kind of look I'm kind of expecting right now, as you can see friends. Different kind of animations and different kind of look. So this is another good neat feature which they did include in this phone. So visually it will definitely look cool while using this kind of settings as well, as you can see friends. I do have the headphones connected to the mobile phone right now. At the moment I can definitely feel the difference when I'm trying to use this Dolby Atmos enabling option. So tell friends, try to use this kind of Dolby Atmos option in your phone as well. And in case if you did not receive this update, make sure to stay tuned. Definitely very soon you will be receiving this Dolby Atmos update. So finally, yes, it's 100% perfect. The Mi11X phone is going to get the Dolby Atmos via update without any kind of problems. So thank you for watching this video friends, and don't forget to check the links in description. I'll try to talk more about the Bluetooth connectivity and what are the codecs the phone will be supporting in another video. So stay tuned for that video as well, just in case if you're curious to know what codecs the phone will be able to support. So see you in the next video friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, bye.